Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine at your home with the blessing of Allah. Good morning, everyone. I am going to deliver my today lecture number 6 on English workbook, page number 35, 36 and 37. So, open the page number 35 of your English workbook. On this page, first of all, you mark the date and tick that date. Whenever you start your work, say Bismillah and end with Alhamdulillah. Okay, on this page you have to write capital and small letter together, and all of other pages where we have to write small and capital letter together here. Okay, I am going to write capital Q, small letter Q. Okay. Capital R, smaller. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Okay, after completing your writing, we have an activity for you. Rizwan decide to do one good deed every week. Help him sharing a quilt with the needy boy by coloring the quilt. You have to do colors in this quilt. You can do different colors to make this quilt beautiful. Okay. प्यारे बच्चों, जब आपने किसी को कोई चीज़ देनी है और उसने लेनी है, लेने वाला कहेगा जज़ाकल्लाह और फिर देने वाला कहेगा व इय्याका. ओके, टर्न ओवर द नेक्स्ट पेज. Now we are on page number 36. Once again, mark the date and tick the day. Okay, I am writing for your guidance. Come to the board. Capital letter U, small letter U. Capital letter V, small letter V. Capital letter W, small letter W. Capital letter X, small letter X. After writing on this page, you have to perform also an activity on this page. Usman is doing his English homework. Can you help him by matching the letter to the picture? Okay. You have to match umbrella with letter U. Okay. You have to match box with X. Okay. You have to match web with W of web. You have to van with V of van. Okay, come to the next page on page number 37. On this page, we have to write capital letter Y and small letter y. Capital letter Z and small letter z. Okay. Come to the board. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z and small z. Okay. After writing y and z, we have to write, we have another activity. Yasir wants to play with Yahya's yo-yo. What should Yasir do? Can you help him find another toy for himself that start with y by circling it? ओके आप यहाँ पे देखें प्यारे बच्चों, यासिर के पास यो-यो है, वाई या यो-यो, लेकिन याहिया के पास यो-यो है, लेकिन यासिर के पास कोई टॉय नहीं है और वो परेशान है. हमें उससे वाई लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले टॉय को इधर से चूज़ करके देना है. जैसे देखिए कि कार, सीखा कार, नो इट इज़ नॉट वाई. रोबोट, नो इट्स स्टार्ट विथ आर. एलिफेंट, नो it start with E. H is start from Y. So we choose H for Yasir. No, Yasir is happy. Do your work with proper formation. Okay, Allah Hafiz.